This project lists very soon. This particular project is listed very soon, and it has 3 phases. And you are on the first phase if you are seeing this video, and you are very early, so you can still join and start working on this project. So if you are on my vlog community on Telegram, you have already gotten this link, and if you have not used the opportunity to sign up and you are still fading it, you're on a big thing. So hi everyone, my name is Susan, and this is where I share everything Web3, how to hunt for Web3 jobs. I also share my no-fee recipes on cake, small chops, food trade, commercial drinks from time to time. I talk about crypto, I talk about airdrop, I talk about every good thing legit that brings you money. So yes, if you're not on my Sussy's Vlog community platform, you are missing out big time. The link is always going to be in the description box of my video or my first pinned comment. Either you're watching my video on YouTube or on Facebook. But like I said, if you're not on my vlog community, you are really missing out big time. Now, if you come down here, you're going to click on this particular link. Once you click on it like this, it's going to lead you to the website. This is listing very soon. It's listing very soon. So you come here, you click on Connect X, or you come here to click on Connect X. So I've already done this before, but I'm just doing it to show you. So to take you to your X, it asks you to authorize connection, and all you need to do is to authorize connection. That is, you're going to allow the website have access to your X account details, authorize permissions. I'll be asking, is it safe? Yes, it is safe. Or why are they asking me to authorize permission? It is because they need to know if you're actually doing the job and to be able to grade you, and you're able to see your score on the leaderboard. And this project is a yapping project. I have some videos already on this channel on how to yap properly, and let me tell you, info meta is the new airdrop, and it is paying. It is paying. If you are on Twitter, or you have a Twitter account and you don't know, or an X account and you don't know the usefulness of it, and you are in this Yapper period, you are missing out big time. Then it's going to take you back to the Kudosswap dashboard. So once you are signed in like this, or you've collected your account, you're going to see here for you it's going to be showing 3, and yet to this kudos end is going to be showing you 3, and this kudos to give is going to be showing you 3. But because I already have some people that follow me back to back, I mean, these guys on my Telegram handle are the real MVPs, that when there are opportunities for me to give out, I'll be considering them first, because I just dropped this link randomly. I just told them to sign up. I'll be dropping a video soon, and look, I already have 8 kudos and I already have 7 kudos to give out. For you, immediately you sign in via this link, the link in the description box of this video on my first pinned comment. You'll be having 3 kudos to earn and 3 kudos to give. So if I click on this right now, I just want to show you something. I click on this right now, you will see that this has 3 phases. It has phase 1, which is kudos. Phase 2, on-chain, is upcoming. This is another thing upcoming. Like I said, it is listing very soon. No long mining, no long yapping. We're not making noise. We're just doing the thing and getting out. So it says token live or upcoming TGE. As you're asking that, when is token going to come live, or when is the TGE? It said get listed early. See the listing, 300,000. 300, that is about 50,000 plus. Wow, this is the listing, and it's going to be boosted up to about 2,000%. Yes, it is going to be boosted at 2,000%. So say get listed immediately. So you come down here, you're going to click, if you click on this get kudos, it's going to give you click on get kudos like this, it's going to give you your own referral link, and you're going to come here and copy your referral link. Now what do you need to do? Anytime I drop a post about kudos, just I'm always going to drop it in my Telegram platform, the vlog community on Telegram. Just go there and engage massively, like your life depends on it. When I mean engage, I mean like, I mean retweet, I mean repost, I mean quote, I mean make a comment and tag kudos. This is exactly what you're going to do. You're going to just do this in the immediately I drop the link. Don't sleep on it. A lot of people earned very good money on the Kaito Yapping platform. And this is another opportunity for you to earn in case you missed out. So this is it. You can also comment or copy image, or you just directly share this link to your X account immediately. Either way, you are still going to earn. So maybe I drop a link on Telegram platform. My dear, just go and engage massively on it like your life depends on it. I've always said it. If you want to really earn money in this informative period, you need to stay active. Active as in ACTIVE, and hacktive as in HACTIVE. Turn on notification on my YouTube channel or on my Facebook profile, and stay connected. So that is all for me for now. Thank you so much for watching. See you in another hot update, because this is number 2 out of the 3 updates I have to share for you guys today. Bye for now.